So I've been pulling some timber from up this hill here. Bit of a rough sort of area, not too big of a hill, and we've thrown a track again. So it's come off the front wheel there, come off the front the idler wheel, whatever you call it. We'll just do a quick thing how to get this bastard back on. Just got the little bottle jack here. I sort of just throw him under the back. Try to make him as flat as possible. And come over and I just lift the front of the machine up with the Alright, I couldn't get the bloody jack under the back because we're on a hill, so I'll try something different. You need a, what is it, 12mm to get into this bit here. This is where your tensioner is, underneath here. Fuck me, that's hard to get to too. There we go. This is a bloody 5/8 this thing, and this one's a pain in the arse. You've only got to do this 14 million times. Well, that worked. I couldn't get the jack under it, so I just put that log under it. And just use a little wheel brace here as a bloody bit of a lever to give you a bit of hand to get it back onto the idler wheel. that was throttled the wrong way. Okay, so that's how you do that with a whole heap of pissing around. Now you got to spend another half an hour winding this bloody idler wheel back out, which is just as fun as what it is unwinding it. And you got to do this another 6,843 times, and you've got it, because it's a great design. It'd be a lot easier if they didn't have a little fucking piss hole like this to get through. You'd be able to get the fucker back on a lot easier. But unfortunately, they make it hard to get fucking shit in and do it. I can see where the bolt has got to go to. It's just a matter of getting it there. Oh, this is why you're sitting on prickly bloody ground in the dirt on a hill in 31 degree balmy afternoon bloody weather. And it's muggy as fuck. And you go a little bit, a bit more loopy than what you are up here when you got to do this shit. I've watched a few videos that get you to take this bloody wheel here off and get that back on, but that's an absolute fucking prick if you want to do that. I find doing it this way a hell of a lot easier. Probably more pissing around, but it is a lot easier than pulling every friggin' bloody nut and bolt out of the thing. I don't really know how tight these tracks are supposed to be, but I just do it up a bit tighter than where the marks were on here. Hopefully we don't throw another bloody track getting out of here. One more for good luck. Alright, get that plate back on. And that's that done. Quick 10-minute video for an hour fucking job.